Okay, Bridget, so I'm assuming the issue for this question is probably coming from how they go from this line to this one. Let me know if it's not, but that's what I'm going to try and explain now. So if we look at the question, you're told the car is originally travelling east, okay, and then it turns and heads south. So that would mean that this vector now is in the west direction because it's the negative initial, and this one is still in the south direction. So if we think about that, if one's going south, one's going west, that would make this angle 90 degrees. Okay, so that makes this a fairly simple one to solve, because to find the resultant we can of course use Pythagoras' theorem, which would say that delta p squared equals pf squared plus negative pi squared. Okay, so what that rearranges to is delta p equals the square root of 6,000 squared plus 6,000 squared. Okay, now that then simplifies to delta p equals to 2 times 6,000 squared. Now this is where you're going to have to remember some surd rules. So remember that the square root of AB equals root A root B. So all they've done is said, okay, well this must equal to the square root of 2 times by the square root of 6,000 squared, which is 6,000, because the square root of 6,000 squared is just 6,000, root 2 sec newtons. Okay, hopefully the rest is fairly straightforward from there, but let me know if that wasn't the step you were talking about.